In this step-by-step video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make up to $3,000 per week with Pinterest affiliate marketing. This is going to be a completely free method for beginners. The best part is it only takes 10 to 20 minutes of work per day, and the money will be in your bank account every single week while you sleep. We are actually going to be using AI to do 90% of the work to help us get more traffic to our affiliate links and make more money with affiliate marketing. If you follow the method that I share with you today, then there is no question in my mind that you'll start making money if you get started today. So without any further ado, let's make some bank. The first and foremost step is to always join affiliate networks. One of the best affiliate networks in my experience is ClickBank and Digistore24. So head over to ClickBank. It's an affiliate network where you can promote other people's product on the internet and make about $100 every time when someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the product. So sign up as an affiliate, and then you're gonna land on this page where you'll find tons of affiliate products you can promote and earn some big bucks. Now, instead of picking a random product, what I recommend you to do is pick a product within these three niches: health and fitness, make money online, and love and relationship, because these are the top performing niches where all the money is made. So for today's example, I'm going to choose a relationship offer from women, because if you take a look at Pinterest demographic, 95% are female compared to a male demographic, which is only 5%. This really tells us women are more on Pinterest compared to men, and that's how we can take advantage of it. So what I wanted to do is click on self-help, then it's gonna pull out all these dating and relationship offers you can promote and get paid up to $100 on average. Go ahead and select this offer, which is called His Secret Obsession. This is a dating offer for women and it's paying us $60 per sale. Simply click on promote and it's going to ask you to enter your affiliate ID. So I'm going to enter my affiliate ID, then hit generate hop link. This is going to be your unique affiliate link. So if someone clicks on this link and ends up buying the product, you're going to be making $60. I'm going to copy this link and open it on a new tab just to see what the website looks like, because it's very important to know at least what you're promoting, because the more you learn about the offer, the more you earn. So this one right here is the sales page. This is a video sales letter, meaning the only goal for this sales page is to make people buy this product. It's made by top marketers, so your job is to just send the right people here through your affiliate link, and the sales page will do its job 24 hours to convert your traffic into sales. And keep watching, because I'm going to show you a Pinterest AI loophole to get thousands of traffic to your affiliate links. I'm going to show you an underground tool that will help you to not get banned on Pinterest or any other social media. Alright, I'm gonna open my notepad and paste the affiliate link for later use. Now we need to build a landing page, and creating a landing page will help you make more money and also prevent account bans from social media. So head over to system.io or click the second link in the description below. It's gonna take you here. It's one of the easiest landing page builder tool out there, and on top of that, it's 100% free to use. Click on get started for free, then you're gonna land here. To start creating, click on funnels, then hit create, enter your funnel name. In this case, I'm gonna write here relationship 1. After that, select the custom funnel and hit save. Then it's gonna give you the project you created. All you have to do is click on it and you land on this page. Now you simply have to click on create this step. After that, right here relationship 1 or anything related to that topic. Then here is gonna ask you what type of funnel you want to create. I'm gonna click on that and select the switch page and then hit save. Then it's gonna give us done for you templates to choose from. I don't need to choose a specific template because I want to build it from scratch. So I'm gonna select any random template, and then you're gonna land on this page. Simply click on edit page, and finally you'll be able to start creating the landing page. So what I want to do is get rid of all this stuff going on. So start deleting each section because we want to start from scratch. Now we need to enter the headline, some images and content. And instead of creating everything by yourself, we need to know exactly how other affiliate marketers are promoting it and what their landing page looks like. Because good artists copy, but a great artist steals. So don't reinvent the wheel. You just gotta steal what's already working. Now I'm gonna show you an underground technique that no one on the internet is talking about. So go to Facebook Ad Library tool. It's a free tool provided by Facebook that will help us to find the ads and the landing pages of other successful affiliate marketers. Go ahead and select the country to the United States, click on Ad Category and select all ads, then right here hit Secret Obsession and hit search. And it's gonna give you all these ads that other successful affiliate marketers are using. But what we wanna do is we wanna see what their landing page looks like. As you can see, this is the ad. If I click on the image, it's gonna take us to the landing page. And oh my god, someone called the police. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the type of landing page that is making lots of money for them because they are running Facebook ads. So if you like this value so far, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation. And now let's begin creating the landing page. So just drag this headline, go back to the landing page, copy the headline, come here to system.io, click on this text, highlight everything and paste it over here. Then change the font to Google Fonts and select Monstrate. To change the color of the headline, highlight everything, click on this little box and change the color to red. Then you'll see the text, an image, and down here a text again. So drag this text, drag this image, drag this text one more time, and down here you'll see the arrows. So drag this bullet list, and down here there's a text, headline, text again, and then an image and a button. So I'm gonna drag this text, drag the headline, drag a text one more time, and drag the image, and then scroll down and drag this button. Now go back to the landing page, copy this text and paste it over here. Then there is an image, so I don't recommend you to use their image because you can get copyright issues. But what you can do is use AI to make this kind of images. And I highly recommend you to make your landing page unique so you don't get any copyright violations. You can use ChatGPT to rewrite the content on this landing page. In this way, you'll not have any issues with copyright. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how to create and design high converting landing page. Now to upload the image, click on this image box, click on upload files, then upload the image. Then decrease the size of the image so it looks professional. Then down here you'll see there's some text, headlines and image. So just copy and paste the text and headline as it is and upload the image. I've already done that because I don't want to make this video too long. So once you're done, the last step is to change the button color and enter some text. On the landing page that we found, there is a yellow color and some text. So click on this button and change it to open URL. Scroll down and change the font to Google Font and Oswald. Then down here, delete everything and write, learn how to trigger a man-hero instinct to amplify his love for you. Then scroll down and change the button color to yellow and the text color to black. Now scroll up and increase the line height and also the font size so it looks professional. Then click on this pop-up and delete it. After that, open your notepad, copy your affiliate link, click on this button and paste it over here. Click on the image as well and paste your affiliate link over here. Then hit save and exit. This one right here is your landing page URL. So let's copy it and open it in a new tab just to see what the landing page looks like. And voila, as you can see, it doesn't take so much time to create and build a high converting landing page. Now it's time to create a Pinterest business account, and I want to show you a very special tool that no one is talking about that will help you stay away from getting banned from Pinterest or even Facebook, Instagram, or any other social networks. So head over to gologin.com or click the link in the description below. It's an amazing tool that will hide your IP address and digital fingerprint, making you anonymous on the internet and making it a nightmare for social media to track your IP address or ban your social media account. It works with Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or any other social platform. Gologin is the ultimate tool for affiliate marketers simply because social media like Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, etc. find suspicious activity when you are running multiple accounts on social media. This causes you to get your account banned and lowering down your reach, making it harder and harder for you to grow your social media followers for your own affiliate marketing venture. This is where Gologin comes in and make it impossible for social media to track your IP address and digital fingerprint. This leads to not getting your account banned or lowering down your reach, so you can grow on social media very quickly and make more money with affiliate marketing. And this is how it works. Simply click here to download it. Once done, go ahead and install it. It's gonna take you a couple of steps. Then it's gonna ask you to register your account. Simply click on continue with Google. It's just a one-step process to register your account. Then you're gonna land on this page. Now by default, Gologin will give you all these profiles, aka Google browsers, for specific goals. All these browsers are unique and social media will treat it like a different person, helping you create multiple social accounts without getting banned or lowering down your social reach. For example, if you want to create an account on Facebook without ever getting banned, simply click on this little run button. Then a pop-up will appear, which is a Google Chrome, where you can easily create and manage your social media account without ever getting detected by social media. You can create as many profiles as you want for multiple social media. To create a Pinterest account from an anti-detect browser, simply click on add profile. It's gonna ask you to name your profile. As for this demonstration, you already know we are creating a Pinterest business account, so I'm gonna write here Pinterest 1. Then select this Gologin proxy beta, and from here you can choose the country you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Then click on check proxy and wait for some seconds to verify. Then simply click on create profile. As you can see, our profile has been created. To start creating your Pinterest account, simply click on run. Then a pop-up will appear, which is an anti-detect browser, meaning you can create and manage your Pinterest business account without ever getting tracked by Pinterest or any other social platform in case if you're using it. Then go ahead and create a Pinterest business account. Use Canva to create a logo and a banner. Use ChatGPT to come up with awesome branding. Alright, once you create your account, it's time to create a Pinterest pin. So head over to playgroundai.com. It's a free AI tool that will convert any text you input and generate captivating AI images. Click on get started, then you'll land on this page. This is where you're going to generate an image. For us to get some ideas to create high converting pins, head over to ClickBank and click on the affiliate page. This is dedicated page for affiliate. It has all the resources including images, videos, and tons of resources to help us make more money with our own affiliate marketing campaign. Click here to images and videos. From there, click on Pinterest images. Then it's gonna give you all these Pinterest pin that you can use on our Pinterest. But instead of using them, what we'll do is use them as an inspiration to create unique images using AI. So go ahead and download it. Then open the downloaded folder where you'll have access to tons of images. Select one of these images, and as you can see, these couples are looking at each other and there is some text. So come here to Playground AI and right here a couple looking at each other with a smile on their face. Then click on the filter tab and choose counterfeit V1. Then hit generate. And bang, this is what you'll get with this free AI tool. Right click on it and upscale it to 4x. This will enhance your image and make it high quality. Once done, click here to download. Then head over to Canva, search here Pinterest pin, select the blank template, upload the image and drag it over here, fit it to the screen and change the color by default. Then click on this text and drag it in the middle. Now we need to write some text. This will increase the curiosity to your traffic and make them interested to learn more about the method and how it works. The best way to get an idea is from the images we previously downloaded. So head over to the previous image we selected and then you can either copy and paste the exact text or use ChatGPT to create as many text as you want from this image. This will help you get unlimited content production with the help of AI. So in this example, I'm going to use the same text. So write here the text and make sure it looks eye-catching. Then export the file and now it's time to publish the pin. Now before I show you exactly how to write top performing headlines and description, if you want to learn the fastest way to make at least $1,000 per day through YouTube ads, then I highly recommend you to go to incomeinsider10x.com or click the first link in the description below. Thousands of people have been taking action and gone through this training and now they are making anywhere between $1,000 per day to $50,000 per day in 4 easy steps using YouTube ads. This is not some get rich quick scheme. These are real people from all walks of life who went on to this training and changed their life, living financially free, location free and time free. Now, I'm not promising you'll make hundreds of thousands of dollars in weeks or months, but I can tell you it can happen very fast if you take action and get started today. So click the link in the description below or go to incomeinsider10x.com and watch this limited time free training. And now let's focus on creating top converting headlines and description. So create a Pinterest pin, upload the image you created. Make sure you note down this exact text inside this pin because we are going to use ChatGPT to come up with a headline and description. I've already noted down on my notepad for the sake of this video. Alright, now head over to ChatGPT and write here, create a headline and description about a Pinterest pin that has this text. Then copy the text from the notepad and paste it over here and hit generate. Then it's gonna give you this AI generated headline and description, but let's say for some reason you didn't like this and want a new variation, simply write here create 5 new variation and hit enter and bang, it will generate awesome headlines and description. So choose one you like, copy the headline and come here to Pinterest and paste it over here. Do this for the description as well and just copy and paste. Then before the hashtags, make some space and give it a call to action like tap the image below to learn how. Then down here to where it says link, this is where you're going to paste your landing page URL. So come here to system.io, copy the URL and paste it on the link destination. Then come here to where it says tag topic option. This is where you're going to insert some tags related to your niche, which will help Pinterest to show your pin in front of a right audience. So right here relationship and it's going to give you a couple of trending tags. So select up to 4 or 5 tags, then hit publish. Post at least 4 or 5 pins a day using the method that I show you because free traffic takes some time and consistency as you already know. But if you want the fastest way to make consistent sales with affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend you to start running ads. And the best way to learn how to do it is go to incomeinsider10x.com or click the link in the description below where you learn how ordinary people are making up to $13,698 per day in 3 easy steps using a breakthrough new technology that works even if you have a zero technical ability. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.